Hey, it's Dr. Lowenstein here in Santa Barbara. I see a lot of patients on Real Self asking about this size or that size, and will this size make me that cup, and will that size make me this cup? And it's a very, very difficult question to answer on the internet. And I think it's important that patients really understand the consultation process and the process as far as actually getting your augmentation. There is no exact correlation between a breast implant cc size and a cup size because it really depends on the size of the patient and the size of the breast. And just to give you an example, if you are a 6'4" woman who, let's say, is a WBA basketball player, and that woman wants to be a B cup, go from nothing to a B cup. We may be putting a 300cc implant in that woman because it has to be of a certain size relative to the rest of her body. Now, if I have the same wishes in a patient who's 4'2" and weighs 95 pounds, and I put that same implant in her, it's going to give her a double D cup because relative to her small stature, that implant's much bigger. So when you're asking about what implant size I should get, I really want to emphasize to you that this is where the art of plastic surgery comes in, and this is where it's really important to have a consultation with an experienced plastic surgeon, of course, who's board certified. And look, it doesn't have to be me. There are lots of great plastic surgeons in the world. But I'm always concerned when I see these questions being answered that misinformation is being given, because it's really, it has to do with the measurements of your breast, the size of your body, the size of your breast beforehand, the size that you want your breast to be after. There are lots of different shapes of implants. We can use round implants, shaped implants, high profile, moderate plus profile, moderate classic profiles. It's an operation that really needs to be tailored to you. And blanket answers on the internet are not really the best way to tailor an operation. So take what you read here, and there's a lot of good answers by a lot of very good surgeons. But at the end of the day, I really emphasize go and talk to a plastic surgeon, get sized, look at the implants, have him take measurements of you, look at his before and after photos, pick the kind of outcome that you want. All of these are really going to be far more important in picking an implant out than just trying to get an online consultation. So that's my 2 cents. I hope it helps. Again, Dr. Lowenstein in Santa Barbara, but as I said, there's a lot of really, really good board-certified plastic surgeons out there, and I recommend that you find one you're comfortable with, and best of luck with your surgery. Take care.